the high country is just as rough as you would expect for a January storm. At one point, the passengers in a pickup had to jump out to help get it moving again. And we saw several spinouts with our camera near the El Rancho exit this morning. I-25, a real mess. We saw a row of snowplows clearing the highway just after 7:30 this morning, but it was still rough going for those commuters, as was the drive in Denver. We have, and I was curious this morning, about 37% more cars than we used to 11 years ago. Michaela White has been on the road since CBS 4 this morning, and there was really no way to get around this because we have so many more cars out there nowadays.
That's right. Good afternoon, Alan. Denver drivers have really struggled this morning. You can see it's still snowing out here. And take a look. You can see there have been RTD buses stopped, stalled. This one has crashed into a pole here along Colfax Road, and it's causing a lot of congestion for people who are trying to get along this road here. Now, people are getting hung up doing a little bit of everything, trying to go up the hill. There have been plenty of accidents due to these snow-packed roads out here, so we are advising everyone stay safe if you plan to venture out today. And one of the biggest problems, as we mentioned, has been these buses here, some of which got stuck earlier. We were out here when they got stuck at 15th and Sherman at around 10 o'clock earlier this morning. That early area was closed as crews worked to move the vehicles out of the roadway and repair some of the buses, and we caught up with the passenger just moments after it spun out. What happened?
Just slippery. Buses crashing into each other. Yeah.
Are you headed anywhere in particular, or are you?
Yeah, work. I work for the city and county of Denver, so.
A little inconvenient, obviously, with all this weather.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, people need to be careful for sure.
And a lot of people have been asking also where the plows are, why these streets got so bad. We checked in with Denver Public Works, and a spokeswoman told us they are running on the city's main streets with stripes. There's also a plow tracker online. We'll link you to that at cbsdenver.com. You can check it if you like. But it is 15 minutes prior to what it's going to show online for you. For now, though, we are live in Denver. Michaela White covering Colorado First.
All right, Mac, thanks a lot.